Let's say that I had 3 pennies here and 2 ants. I can't look at this and say that I have 5 of something because they're not the same thing. These 3 things over here, we would group those together because they're the same thing. And these two are not the same, so we'll just call that 2A. So my 3P plus 2A, that's as far as we can go as far as combining them. These 3 become 3P, and these 2 become 2A. And they cannot be combined because they're not the same thing. Here we have a list of algebra terms. These are variables. They can be any number, but they're not the same variable. I've mixed m's and t's. We're giving x's a rest here. And then I have a few of these number ones put together. So what I can do is I can go through here and I can say that I have 1, 2, 3, 4 m's. So I can put the 4 m's together because they're like each other. So like terms. Next, once I'm through here, I'm looking, I don't have any other m's. I come back and I'm looking, I have a t here and a t here. So I have 2 t's. And then I'm going through again and I have 3 1s. So I can group those together because they're 1s. And the only thing I can do is put these pluses in between here because I can't add 4 m's and 2 t's and say I have 6 of something. And I can't say I have 2 of these and 3 of these, so I have 5 of something. These 3 things are separate, so they have to stay separate. So as far as combining like terms, that's as far as I can go. Let's look at a more conventional example of an algebra expression where like terms can be put together. So here we have a long expression, and each of these items are called terms, everything separated by a plus or a minus. These are all positive. The first term is a positive. If it doesn't have a sign, it's automatically a positive. So I want to go through here and I'm going to group these together. So I have a 3x, a 2x, and that's it. So the 3x's and the 2x's, just as if I had 3 apples and 2 apples, I can put those together and say that I have 5 apples. In this case, I have 5x. Looking through, I don't have any more x terms, so I go back to the beginning and I'm looking for a different letter. So this time the variable is going to be a y. I can put the 4 y's together with these 2 y's, and that's plus 6y. And then I've crossed off the ones that I have here. So now I have plus 3, that's 6, plus 4, that's 10. So I can put the ones together with each other. I have 10 of those. Now, when I look at this, I can't put these x's and the y's together because they're not the same thing. This is sort of like having 5 apples and 6 oranges. I can't say I have 11 of something because they're not the same thing. So that's actually the final answer, and it can't be simplified any further.